guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing my BoxyCharm base box and also the premium for the month of April. I do get these sent to me to show you guys and see what is possibly coming in the BoxyCharms this month and stuff that you may get in yours as well. I have seen a couple sneak peeks, so it looks like it's going to be a really good month. By the way, this shirt, I just got my order in from Forever 21. It's the Forever 21 and Juicy Couture collab. Juicy Couture is totally making a comeback and I am here for it. I used to be obsessed with it in high school and I'm obsessed with this little crop top. So I'm going to link it down below. It just says Juicy Couture Forever Los Angeles and it has the sayings on the back as well, but it is so cute. I also got the velour sweatpants as well and I really like it. But let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. Okay, into the base box. This is $25 a month. Here is the card. So the theme is sweet treats. Super cute little card. I love all the candy on it, all the pastel colors. Ooh, I think, is this the Natasha Denona palette? I was hoping I would get this. I'm so excited. So BoxyCharm seems to do quite a few Natasha Denona palettes here and there, which is really exciting. I think this one is made for BoxyCharm because I don't recognize this color story, but it is the perfect spring palette. So this is called the Jubilee 5 eyeshadow palette. How pretty. So this one has like the bright yellow and also the turquoise. It actually really matches the theme of the card. It has the coral in there. It has a really dark, almost navy black as well. I don't know. I feel like maybe that would look good with this color, but we'll see. This retails for $48 and it does say it is a special edition palette created exclusively for BoxyCharm. So let's swatch. In swatching the shadows, they feel the same as their usual ones. I don't think they skimp on quality for these palettes because I'm pretty used to their formula and these feel really nice. So that dark navy is actually more like turquoise. Here is the swatches. I think this is overall a really fun palette. It's kind of like the Circo Loco, but a smaller version, which I'm kind of liking because I didn't buy that palette. So I'm excited to have this for spring and hopefully I can create some fun looks with it. The next thing we got, this is a lipstick from Laura Geller. I feel like we get a lot of Laura Geller stuff in subscription boxes. I'm not a big fan of their stuff anymore. Used to like their highlighters, but I'm just kind of over the brand in general. But we did get a lipstick in Battery Park Bronze. So these sculpting lipsticks are, I think, all named after things in New York, which is kind of cool, in New York City. The color is not my type. It's literally a bronze tone. I don't really wear metallics that much, so I don't think I want to like swatch this or anything. I might just give it away to someone else if they want it. But yeah, I don't really like getting these because they're kind of not worth a whole lot to me. I see them all the time discounted to like $5 a piece, but if we could get like a nice neutral shade or something more wearable, I'd be more excited. This is retailing for $21 for the full size. We also got this. This is a brand I think I get a lot in like FabFitFun. It's the Earth Harbor Aurora Superfood ampoule. So I think it's kind of like a serum basically. I think their stuff is very like scented, like essential oils. This retails for $32. It says it has sea greens and cannabis sativa, hemp oil, grapeseed oil, neem seed extract to energize and soothe skin. So I don't know if I'll be using that. I have so much skincare right now. I also got something from Dragon Beauty. So we got a color corrector. I think we got one of these before, like the orange one, but now we have a lavender version. This one might actually work better for me, so I am probably gonna try this. Lavender, usually purple corrects yellowness, so it should brighten though. I remember back in the day I used to mix the NYX. They had like a light lavender concealer within my other concealer and it made it so bright, so I might try that with this Dragon Beauty corrector. I'll swatch a little bit on my hand so you guys can see, but it's like a light pinky lavender and I think it will definitely brighten. So a good tip is to try mixing it in with concealer or just use it before concealer. And then the last thing I got is from the brand Terra de Mars, and it says a body cleanser. So basically a shower gel. This one retails for $22. It says it's infused with bioactive ingredients like coffee and rosemary extracts. They tone, purify, and protect the skin, while aloe vera nourishes and softens the skin. I haven't really got much body care from BoxyCharm. I usually like to get a little bit more makeup because I just have so much skincare and body stuff already because I do a lot of Bath & Body Works videos. Let me see. I'm trying to smell it. It doesn't smell great. It's very natural scented. I don't know how I feel about it. It's okay. But that is everything I got in my BoxyCharm. I would say the Natasha Denona palette is definitely the star of the box. If I didn't get that, I think I would be a little bit disappointed if this was a box that I paid for. There's just a few things that I'm not like super hyped about or interested in. I might actually do a little giveaway because I surely do not need all this stuff. But let's go ahead and see what we got in the BoxyCharm Premium. By the way, I judge these boxes based off of a consumer point because I also am a consumer, so it's not me trying to be ungrateful. I'm just giving you like a thorough review of what I think about what's in the box. Okay, so next, the premium. The premium is $35 a month, so you do get a little bit more for your money. The first thing I'm seeing on top here is actually from Nails Inc. London, and this is their Incredible Crystal Ball Roller Gloss Duo. So it's a lip gloss. See, Nails Inc., I always thought they did nail polish, so I was thinking, oh, maybe this is like a cuticle oil, but I guess it's a lip gloss from them. It retails for $24, and it's a glassy formulation infused with crystals to stimulate your lip circulation. So okay, maybe I'll use one. I don't think I need both of them. The roller glosses are fun. They kind of made a comeback. They totally remind me of like Limited 2 days in middle school with the roller gloss. I know ColourPop did one with their Candyland collection, and I thought it was pretty cute, but that is what they look like. So I just kind of want to show you. This one has like literal like gemstones in there, which is kind of cool. And then also this one has like the pink looking rocks. I don't know what these are. I'm not into crystals really, so I have no clue. I'm kind of curious about the purple one. It does look really fun. Oh, they are scented. They smell like fresh, but they do give you a little bit of a glossy finish. But I just think that's so random for Nails Inc. to do a lip gloss, but to each their own, I guess. All right, let's see what else. Oh, we got a NARS blush. This is the one I've been actually seeing at TJ Maxx the past couple of weeks. Too funny. This is in Gaiety, and it's a bright pink. I actually didn't buy it there, so I'm actually kind of excited to have it in my collection. It's so bright though. Like, look at that. That is like, oops, neon pink. I think it could be really pretty though, just like subtly put on the cheeks. Yeah, it's kind of more sheer once you put it on, but this could be fun for like a bright Barbie doll spring pink blush. So bright. So this one retails for, let's see, $30. We also got here from Dose of Colors, we got an eyeliner. This one's in the shade Maybe Baby. It looks like a green. They do have some cute packaging, I will say. I don't have a lot of green in my collection for eyeliner. I have a lot of pastels and just like black and browns. So I definitely don't have this type of color, but it is like a forest green. It seems to be very creamy and pigmented, and this one retails for $15. Looks like we got a Fenty product in here. Oh, this is their Pro Filter Primer. I have their mattifying primer. I don't use it as much anymore because it is a little bit drying. Sometimes I do kind of like to have my skin well moisturized, and for the mattifying I'll just use a powder, but I think this is just their original one. Oh no, maybe this is the matte one. It says soft matte here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. I recently decluttered mine, so I don't know if I will use this again. This retails for $32. It does have like a light, almost like a vanilla scent. It smells the same as their powder if you guys have tried that. It is really cool to get a Fenty product in here, especially a primer. I might do a little giveaway with that one since I have tried that one before. We also got these guys. I think these are reusable cotton pads maybe. These are by Luxe and Willow. Yeah, reusable bamboo makeup removal pads. So I'm trying to go more eco-friendly so you don't have to keep buying and throwing away your cotton rounds. You'll just use this little guy. You can use it with toner, any micellar waters, and then just probably put it in the wash, I'm assuming. So these retail for $20, and it does come with 4. And then the last thing we got in here looks like a palette from Iconic London. We got like a bronzy palette in one of our past BoxyCharms, and it was pretty nice. And this one's definitely more like warm tone. It reminds me of summer a lot, so I'll probably use this. It does retail for $62, which is quite a bit. I don't really think it's worth $60. I'd say maybe $30 for this, but overall the shades are really nice. Nice quality, good pigment. I'll insert swatches for you guys so you can see the colors up close. But yeah, it's nice. I'm excited to have it. And that is everything in the BoxyCharm Premium. I would say that one was definitely definitely a little bit better, I would say, than my other BoxyCharm, even though I am excited to get the Natasha Denona, but it has more products that I will probably use. So I do want to do a little bit of a giveaway here. I have quite a few products in this giveaway, so one of you guys is going to win the Terra Mars Shower Gel, as well as the Earth Harbor Aurora Luminous Ampoule, the Fenty Matte Primer, one of the Nails Ink like crystal glasses with the pink stones, and then also the Laura Geller lipstick. So to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is, of course, be subscribed to my channel and leave a comment down below what your favorite product was that I featured in this video, and also leave me your Instagram handle so I can contact you on there. If you are the winner, I will pick it 2 weeks from today. But that is it for my BoxyCharm unboxing today. I would say overall it was an okay month. I am very excited about the Natasha Denona palette. It's definitely my top favorite, so that really did put the box up there for me. But I did get quite a few things that I feel like I just won't use or I'm not that excited about. I have been kind of doing some decluttering here in my collections, so I'm trying not to just like open things just to open if I can give them away. I'm curious to see your thoughts about the BoxyCharms this month. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.